Hi, I'm Emma. This is the Pocket 1000 mattress from Breezely's Uno collection. As a guide, we would say this mattress is a medium tension, so it's a good all-rounder and would suit most people. The mattress is a generous 20 centimetres deep, with a top layer of quality high-density foam to fully support your body whilst you sleep. Underneath this is the equivalent of 1000 pocket springs. Each spring sits in its own little pocket and reacts independently to your individual shape and weight, providing even pressure distribution as you rest, whether it be on your side, back or front. As the pocket springs move individually, you won't find yourself rolling into the middle or off the edge of the mattress. And if you sleep with a partner, you'll experience less disturbance as they move and turn during the night, so you can sleep deeper and awake feeling more refreshed. The springs are also encased in a high-density foam all around the edge of the mattress, so you have support right to the very edge. This also maximises the surface area, giving you as much room as possible for when you want to stretch out and release the tensions of the day. Below the springs, there's also a base layer of high-density foam, which gives a really supportive foundation to the mattress. The luxurious soft feel quilted cover not only adds comfort, but also features Fresche Bioscience, a new generation antimicrobial finish offering long-lasting antibacterial, antifungal, mold and odour protection. It also inhibits the development of house dust mites, so may be helpful to allergy sufferers. Also worth mentioning, there's no need to turn this mattress, and we offer a fantastic 10-year guarantee on the mattress core, so you can buy with confidence and peace of mind, as we're also a National Bed Federation approved member. This mattress comes conveniently vacuum packed for quick delivery and is particularly useful if, for example, you need to manoeuvre the mattress up flights of stairs or around tight spaces. Also, a king-size mattress will fit comfortably into a standard-size car. The mattress will recover fully in a couple of hours, ready and waiting for you to enjoy a great night's sleep.